He got on the expressway? Where did you drive there?
He was shot at on the expressway. He got out at 79th and he's at 80th and Road.
Alright, can you notify K, please? We'll head over there though. Make sure he's okay. 700 Adam.
5700 Animal Zone 5.
Good evening, Scott. We have an LPR here from 4476 South LSC going southbound. It is a vehicle connected to a shooting, a 2018 Dodge Durango, white with gray racing stripes, Charlie Nora 76099.
Alright, so we got that from the last, I got the same copy last night, I think, but other guy. 4476 South Bridgeford Drive, 2018 Dodge Durango, gray stripes, Charlie Nora 76099. One, and I think I'll activate it with a handgun or something like that.
That boy tonight is communication.
Alright, that's work.
Oh, fuck, I get the number. Get the number. On the watch, thanks.
That's the back, okay? Follow up Parker, he travels after that. 2533? 25, go ahead.
Well, can I give you a quick flash of our missing person whenever you're ready, please?
Alright, I think you put on. Go ahead, you have the air.
Real quickly, we're looking for the last name Caldwell, Charlie, Adam, Lincoln, David, William, Eddie, Lincoln, first name.
Units at 19 and Citywide, I'm getting an assault in progress at the Brown Line Western, 4645 Northwestern. Caller states a male white last seen wearing all black at street level, yelling racial slurs. Nothing further. District 19 Zone 2 is clear.
Close some things out. Do a little traveling for me. I had a suspicious person also come in as a disturbance at 4333 on Vincennes. They said it was a male black hat that was hiding in the bushes. He was on a bike in the alley when they last saw him, but now he's hiding. So, white top, blue jeans. Answer 13.
213.
Yep, simulcast is tied up because of the drill. So we got auto theft in progress at 3755 South on Cottage. The caller says that the boys are out there still in the car. They believe that she believes that her car was just stolen. And then started talking crazy for the call taker. So they believe that it's possibly a prank. So can you write the wind check on it? 3755 in Cottage.
Nightmare Squadron Road.
213.99.
Thank you.
1925.
1945.
44.
Disturbance, large gathering at Marine Drive and Bittersweet Place. Caller states there are about 20 to 30 migrants.
Yeah, good. I'm back in. Hey, 213 and 215, just 1 second. 13 and 15, just be advised, we're getting an updated call. They said it's about 8 people, female and males. They believe that they're breaking into or trying to steal a Kia, and the other 6 are on lookout with the 2 that's trying to steal a car right now. Go ahead.
3 Frank.
Alright.
Oh, you get a standby.
The department is conducting a drill on the emergency mobilization plan. All units that have been identified to secure the perimeter of the Central Business District will immediately proceed to their designated locations. The citywide channel for this drill is Citywide 6. Upon arrival, all units will check in using their post number on Citywide 6 and a telephonic notification to CPIC. All District Watch Operation Lieutenants will ensure units are immediately notified to respond to their designated locations and promptly check in upon arrival. If the unit is unavailable, a replacement will immediately be sent. All available on-duty members assigned to the traffic section mass transit, and major accident investigation units will immediately report to the 1st District WOL for assignment. Emergency equipment should not be used while en route to your assignments. Emergency equipment should be activated upon arrival at your locations. Street closures will not be put into effect. All units will be checked in by a supervisor and will remain on post until released over citywide 6 by the incident commander. Once released, all